What is your favorite keto-friendly dessert? So this question is about conquering cravings, and we're having a discussion, and they ask what are our favorite keto-friendly desserts for, satisfying those occasional cravings.
Mine is whatever's already made in my fridge. So right now it's peanut butter cookies that Tara made. But no, seriously, my favorite thing to do is probably the easiest thing to do, and I did learn this from Tara, is just homemade whipped cream and berries, especially when berries are in season, like local berries, things like that.
Which is coming up. Also, our no-bake cheesecake. It's a quick dessert that can be done in 5 minutes, and then you can do all kinds of different things with that cheesecake. So that no-bake cheesecake we just posted here on the YouTube channel a few weeks ago, and we have some really yummy parfait ideas coming up over the coming weeks. And then my favorite is the lemon pie. When I figured out how to do
lemon pie is
keto
really
lemon
good.
curd.
Yeah. Like, could we make that lemon party pie? Do you remember that?
I haven't been able to do meringue, but I haven't tried allulose yet.
Meringue. Yeah. The meringue is the problem. If you've ever had a lemon party pie, that would be really good.
Yeah, so the lemon pie. But yeah, and then we the Real Good Foods keto friendly ice cream.
You know what I like the most? Not just that ice cream tastes really good, but that I can eat it as soon as I pull it out of the freezer.
Instead of having to wait 15
other ice cream,
minutes.
you're like trying to warm it up with your hands just so you can scrape around the edges where it's gotten soft. Like, This is not what I wanted to do when I'm enjoying a dessert.